Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a poll to your Instagram post. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. At the top of your profile, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it to create a new post. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Post to start. Now, choose the photo you want to share from your device's gallery. Once you've selected your photo, tap the Next button in the top right corner. You can apply filters or add music to your photo if you like. Once you're happy with it, tap Next. Below the photo, you'll see a text box where you can add a caption or even a poll. Tap the text box to proceed. If the poll feature isn't available, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version or wait for it to roll out to your region. If the poll feature is available, you'll see a poll button. Tap on it to create your poll. Add your poll question and up to 4 options for people to choose from. Once you've entered everything, tap the checkmark or Done button to finalize your poll. After that, tap Share to post your photo with the poll to your Instagram account. Your followers will see the poll below your image in the post, and they can vote on the options you've provided. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips.